What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Thanks for watching. Today I got a little surprise for you and I really think you are going to like it. It's all about free money. You might think like there is no free money. Well, actually in crypto there is. So let's talk about that. Welcome to the Fomo Factory. Smack that like button, subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything, and let's get right into it. It's because I want to talk a little bit about Delysium, how you can sell your tokens, because a lot of you guys already got your node running. If you do not have that, links in the description, check it out. I had an interview with Delysium and I got so much more bullish about it, but it's going to release very soon and you want to know how you can be there. So if you want to sell your tokens, you can sell them right away, right? Or if you want to get more tokens, how you can get more. And if you want to get free tokens, I got a cool surprise for you as well. So let's check that out very quickly. About the crypto market for now. Nothing changed, so let's get right into it. Nothing has really changed. Bitcoin is still sitting at around 22.34, maybe 5 or 2 at the moment that you're watching. It's kind of boring at the moment, to be honest. Kind of boring. If you look at the daily chart, you know what I think is going to happen in crypto for the rest of the year. And that's what happened, you know, before as well. If you look at where we kind of are right now, that's around this area right here, in my expectation, right before a year before the halving, if you follow me. And of course, we do that slow grind up the previous time, but overall, it was a lot of sideways movement, basically. Of course, this was quite exceptionary, right? Because this was already a 2x, but there's a lot more money in crypto right now. So doing a 2x right now, I don't know. Here as well, in 2019, we had a good move up, but what eventually happened is we were sitting at around, you know, okay, let's take it from here. We were sitting at around $9,000 in June 2019. But if you look right here in July 2020, we were sitting at that same level, right? And what happened in the meantime? Bears got wrecked on their shorts and bulls got wrecked on their longs. And overall, it's very hard, that kind of market. So I don't know if that's going to happen, of course, but it's pretty, you know, it won't surprise me if we just get such a boring year, that 2023 will be mainly boring. Right? And that's good because you can still prepare. We all know that a bull market is about to come. You now have to focus on the best projects out there to do your research, learn about them. I would say join our Telegram group, links down below, so you can talk with me, other people in the community. Because this is a time to learn, to accumulate, to research. And when the time comes, you want to be prepared. And you don't want to be that guy that says like, oh, I wish I was there, because you are now here, right? But Bitcoin is not really doing a lot. If we look at altcoins, the total 3 is actually retesting. So Bitcoin is, you know, kind of boring. Altcoins are going down. If you look at this right here, if you compare it to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is, you know, it's going down a little bit, but it's holding up in this area, right? If you look at altcoins, altcoins are following, you know, the downtrend. They are going back into this pattern, it looks like. We had this downtrend here, this white line, and it's now retesting. And I'm not saying that it goes back into this range right now, because we had a perfect retest, by the way. As look, we had a perfect bounce off of here. So it looks like it might get some support for now. At least we have the bull market support band as well, this green and red line. So there is a lot of support right here. We have some horizontals, right? I think I can draw a pretty decent horizontal right here, right where we are right now. So we have triple support for altcoins. So I don't think altcoins are going to get wrecked short term, but you know, eventually, yeah, it could be that we're following back in here. Stochastic RSI is kind of overbought right now. So be a little careful, I would say. Don't jump into altcoins with too much of your money right now. Just look at how it's going to play out, I would say, for sure. Now, like I said, whatever, I got some presents for you because we talked about Delysium a lot. And Delysium is really like the gem that I was looking for. It's, if you saw the interview that I had last Friday with one of the founders of Delysium, you know maybe why I'm so extra more bullish about it. Now, they're gonna release on the Bybit launchpad, right? And that's so cool because just a release on Bybit, it's quite big as well, right? But the Bybit launchpad is a really big thing. These centralized exchange launchpads usually have very big returns, and you don't get listed there like no reason. You really have to do something very well. So that's what they're going to do. Now, we have a perfect timing right here because I just made a partnership with Bybit. So you can sign up on Bybit through the link in the description of the video because you need a Bybit account anyway to sell your tokens, right? And maybe they're going to list on other exchanges as well, but Bybit is at least the one that's sure right now, right? And you can wait for others, but I don't know why you would. So you can sign up through Bybit in the link of the description, but you can also get up to $30,000 of bonuses. So that's super interesting. And there are way more benefits of signing up on Bybit through that link. They also have smaller gifts. They have their reward hub where you can get these like these smaller, like maybe 10 USDT or I don't know. Check it out. It's really cool. And the first month you pay no fees for trading, so you could trade whatever you want and it won't cost you a thing. But what I want to show you right here is if you go to Bybit and you check out the trade section and you go to the launchpad, you can also download their app, by the way. I use that more. But here is where Delysium is going to release. And you can see their previous launchpad projects with the highest yield. They released Gene, which did a 40x. They released Casta with 20x. They released Real 18x, right? And more and more and more. Look at these participants. 40,000 people, 70,000 people, 40,000 people. That's insane. So therefore, I just wanted to show you, like, although Delysium already gets that hype and already has that big community, look at all these people that are going to participate in there, right? It's beautiful that we already have these tokens daily, right? And like you saw in the interview as well, getting a node is not only for the tokens that you get daily, you also are liable for future airdrops. They are going to airdrop a project which is called Collab, and it's not a big project yet. It has like almost a $10 million market cap, right? But the node runners, so the people that have the DMA, get half of the supply of these tokens, right? So that's free money right there, and who knows what else we will get. There is a lot that you get for running a DMA. Now, also, what Delysium just did is pretty groundbreaking because you probably all know about ChatGPT. Once that came out, you know, everybody was kind of talking about it, right? And also, sorry, I'm still sick. Also in crypto, people were really excited about it because AI is just a big narrative and it goes very well with crypto. Now, what Delysium did is they released Lucy, and Lucy is the crypto chat GPT. Like they showed in the video, Lucy can do a lot of cool things when it comes to crypto, and she keeps evolving, right? So, you know, let me show you this, because the cool thing is that if you run a DMA, you can use Lucy, chat.delysium.com. So if you have a DMA, you can use Lucy. But why would you? Well, first off, it's fucking cool. But second, if you use Lucy, you get more tokens airdropped as well. So more AGI tokens. So the more you contribute to Lucy, the more tokens you will get as well. So talk to Lucy every now and then. Check out what she can do. I haven't really done it yet. I was kind of sick and I didn't have a lot of time. So let me do it right now. Let me check, like, what can you do? Let me check that out. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I have no idea, by the way, but from what I saw in the interview, it's pretty cool. So as an AI assistant, I can help you with a wide range of things related to Web3. Here are some examples. I can provide you with accurate and unbiased information about Web3, including DeFi, NFTs, blockchain technology, and more. Help you understand the complex concepts in certain terms and guide you step by step through the different processes. Cool. Assist you in finding the right tools and resources by your specific needs, such as blockchain infrastructure providers, wallet exchanges, and more. Wow. Okay, so what they showed is as well this, and this is pretty cool. Show me my assets. So if you feel like, what do I have in my wallet, you can just type that, and what Lucy does is pretty insane. Here are the assets for the wallet that I have connected on Lucy, and you can see your portfolio right here, right? That's fucking insane. So I can see my tokens right here. If I click NFT, I can see the NFTs that I have in my wallet. So that's pretty cool. And what you also can do is this, and this is really, really, really cool. So let me find another address, a random address. So yeah, that's right here, I think. Yeah, that's one. Okay, so send 10 USDT to this address. Look at this, look at this. What happens right now? What happens right now? Bam! Pops up my MetaMask, and I only have to approve it, and it sends $10 to that wallet automatically. That's fucking cool. That's fucking cool. That's not what ChatGPT can do. So that's pretty insane. And in the future, they are working on stuff that you can say like, swap 500 USDT for Ethereum, and then also blap, and it does it for you. So you don't need to go to Uniswap, fill it in, do the right slippage, all that. You just fill it in right here, do this for me, bam, done. It's cool. This is making DeFi easier, right? And more futuristic, but also a lot easier and a lot safer, because in this case, you don't have to do anything. Lucy does it for you. And if you really feel like, is it okay? You check it from this address to this address, and you only have to confirm it. That's it. So that's so cool. And every time, like I said, you do this, you can get your token. You can get token airdropped in the future. So that's pretty cool. Can I donate to you? I don't know why you want to do that, but I'm just asking random shit, right? So is that also possible? I don't know. She's also generous. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So Lucy, very interesting. What are the most popular NFTs? I don't know how she responds to typos, so I think you have to spell everything correctly though. But you know, but there are many things you can ask them. And that's so cool, right? Collection of this and that. You also get a little information about it. So we got CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, art blocks. It's pretty cool. I have an art block right here. Patchy Penguins. Yeah. This is really cool. This is really cool. So if you ever want to know anything about crypto, ask her. How, and this is pretty cool. I think that she can do this. How to do research to crypto projects. I don't know if that's the right sentence to pronounce it. I'm not native English speaker, so but yeah, she understands me. Cool. Doing research in crypto is an important step. Here are some. Oh, that's so cool. Start with the white paper. The white paper is the foundation of a crypto project. It outlines the technology, team, and the goals of the project. Make sure to read the white paper thoroughly to understand the project's vision and goals. Check out the team. Analyze the technology itself, of course. Look at the community. That's so cool. That's actually all the things that I'm saying as well. She take my job. Yeah, man. So check out Lucy. I think Delysium is going to be huge. I thought it was just a crypto game, but it's going to be way more than that. This is really, I think, what we're going to need in crypto, and I'm so glad we got to this early. So like I said, already get your account on Bybit. You see how these launchpad projects do, so I'm very curious to see how Delysium is going to do there as well. Like I said, if you sign up through my link, once the project comes out, you can get airdropped with these Delysium tokens extra as well. That's the benefit of being a partner, so that the whole community can benefit from that. So really do that. and I'm gonna set up a private Telegram group as well, where I give you some personal insights and some real-time market calls, and only the people that sign up through Bybit are allowed right there. So I would say do that. If you already have a Bybit account, just use another email account. I would say make a new account real quick. It's very simple. You will really benefit from it, and you have to deposit a little money, but that's not a lot. But you have to, you know, be active right there. The more money you deposit, the more bonuses you get, of course. But we'll come back to that. I mean, I like the platform. I use it for a long time myself as well. So for the people that are not familiar, I can also make videos about Bybit, how it works, how to trade right there, how to do anything, right? So I want to leave it right there. It's more, you know, basically about Delysium, Bybit, and free money. So I hope you like that. If you like the content, smack the like button, turn on the bell notification. Tomorrow, I will be back with a video where I will respond to some interesting YouTube comments, where I will review your altcoins and some other very cool things. And I got some extra cool surprises this week as well. We'll come back to that. For now, trade safe, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.